What is one food that your mom makes that no one else can make? Like, it doesn't matter if you get the same ingredients, if you use the same techniques, it just never comes out the same. It doesn't come out tasting the same. Like, I guess it's just all in the hands of my mother. Look at her just like doing it so effortlessly. Like, if I tried that, it would take me forever and it won't come out tasting the same. Hers just come out so nice and like crispy and fluffy and soft all at the same time, tasting bomb. And she's like, she makes sure there's no oil residue left on the sabayad. So you have to like make sure it's dry, there's no oil on it. Ooh, wait until you see the end result. That thing just comes apart. You don't even have to try. Like, it's just, it melts in your mouth. Look at that. Just look at that.